BJP seems to have taken a lead in the Bengaluru municipal polls. The party is leading in 29 seats while the Congress is ahead in 14 and the JDS in 10. Other parties ahead in 6 seats of the 197 civic wards. In the previous 5-year term, BJP ruled the BBMP for the first time by winning in 116 wards as against 62 wards by the Congress, 14 by JDS and 8 by independents. Rohini Swami now joins us. Rohini, this seems to be a sort of a victory for the BJP. Perhaps psychologically and politically will give them a sort of a boost, considering the fact that they don't have a government in the state.
Well, Sanket, if we had seen the kind of results that come out of Karnataka, even in the previous polls, be the assembly or the parliamentary elections, we've seen how initial trends always we've seen BJP leading, but towards the end of counting, things have changed. But the point remains that the Congress still continues to be confident, and they have said that they have done work, they have a report card in the state to go with, and that is why they feel confident that they will majority. But the BJP is pretty upbeat at this point of time with the trends of them leading. The point remains that the kind of involvement that was seen by Bangalore, especially when it came to the BBMP elections, was very different. It was very much like a parliamentary election or assembly election where people were voicing out their emotions and their thoughts on how they wanted to make Bengaluru better. But in terms of the percentage, in terms of the voters' percentage, it turned out to be pretty low with only 49%. When we're talking to political leaders, they've been saying that all these civic polls, Bangalore has polled very low. In the 90s, they polled close to 16%. Now, if 49% of people have come ahead and polled at this point of time, and they polled for change, this trend that we're seeing right now with the BJP leading second with the Congress and the JDS coming right third, it's also the fact that the kind of report card, if the BJP has managed to do that with the help of the fact that they also use Narendra Modi and what he has done for the country as an example to show how they can change Bangalore. If that has made an effect, well, that is why we can possibly see BJP trending as of now. But it's almost around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, we'll actually know who is to sweep or who is going to take over the BBMP, the Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike.